You see, he just trots off, no problem. That's what we want to see. So I always think about the two most trained horses in the world as far as disciplines, and I always think about reining and dressage being the two most highly trained horses. And when I think about the two, I think, well, dressage, it takes 7 years for them to get the horse trained. In reining, in 1 year, they have a finished 3-year-old for the futurity. What's the big difference? In my mind, the big difference is the long rein, it's the big release, because horses learn from the release.